Just showing a quick video of my son's 87. This is a K10 long bed single cab. Has all the off-road design shackle flip, skyjacker soft ride springs. This has a, it was a K10 like I said, but we swapped out and put, and there's an annoying cat again, put a corporate 14 rear axle, 410 gears, got rid of the saddle tanks, put in a Blazer fuel tank as a frame mounted Holley fuel pump. So now it's, if it ever needs to be serviced, it'll be a piece of cake. I did a full stainless steel exhaust system, polished exhaust, MagnaFlow muffler, all the good stuff. Still needs to be cleaned up a little bit, but she's coming along. The front axle is a Dana 44 8-lug, crossover high steer setup, skyjacker springs. Put in the off-road design shackles and heavy-duty bushing, bigger bushing setup, so it's all set. Has a 5.3 liter, 5.7, sorry, small block V8, 700 R4, dual shocks, upgraded Borgeson steering box. And yeah, let's open up the, he's cleaning up the interior. My son is about 15 and a half. We've been working on this for a little bit. Nice MSD ignition parts, cap rotor, plugs, NGK plug, spark plugs. He sandblasted all the brackets, painted them, so the engine compartment looks nice and fresh. Aluminum radiator, interstate battery, which needs to be replaced like most batteries. Nice AC system, full power cab. It's a nice truck. Got it from the second owner out in the farm. And yeah, manifolds were all sandblasted and sprayed them with a heat POR product, POR 15. She's looking good. Fender wells and core support are powder coated satin black, and I have a billet grill to go in and chrome bezels, so she'll be looking fancy. Thanks for checking it out.